Right, hello everybody, you haven't cooked. What I'm going to do today is a nice little cheap, cheerful, little belly filler. What I've got, I'll just show you, just put that on there for a minute. Ooh, they look a bit tasty. I've got some chicken. Just have a look at these. Yep, they're alright. I'll give them a few more minutes. So yeah, I've got some, there's 3 chicken legs and a lot of chicken breast skinned. A lot of juice comes out of them, doesn't it? What I'm going to do is a really nice, tasty, sort of like a Spanish style omelette. I've got some onions, red onion, 1 full one, 2 cloves of garlic, there's 2 tomatoes all diced up. These are tinned potatoes, these are already cooked. Got some chives, parsley and some black pepper, and that's all there is to it, apart from a bit of olive oil that goes in the pan. So what I'm going to do is start off with the onions and the garlic, add the tomatoes, put the potatoes in, beat up the eggs and add the chives and the parsley and a bit of black pepper. And because I haven't got a pan that goes in the oven, you're going to laugh at this one. I'll get a screwdriver and take the handle off the pan and then put that in. So, but it works because I ain't got one. So I'll bring you back in a minute and we get started. So we're back. So what we're going to do is get the heat on. Nice dash of olive oil. Oh, it's a bit strange. Try that again. Obviously not my usual brand, but I will get some more later on. Yes! So anyway, what I'm going to do is get our onions. Get our garlic, get our tomatoes, get our potatoes, bearing in mind the potatoes are already cooked, so we'll be back in a minute. Okay, I just took the pan off the heat for a minute. I've got a nice little bowl. We've got some eggs, and we just get a whisk, parsley, about a teaspoon, chives, about a teaspoon, some black pepper. Just give that a little whisk up. And we'll get our pan. Just give that a little mix up. And give another little bit of olive oil. And we'll add our mixture back to the pan. So just make sure the spread out the potatoes in there. So just let that do a minute, and then we're going to put that in the oven. Just pull the chicken out, it's looking a bit tasty, and we'll put the nice omelette in the oven. And we'll bring it back when we're done. Okay, so I totally forgot. Bit of nice cheese over the top, nice bit of mature cheddar. and we'll put that back in the oven and then we'll bring it back. Okay, we're back. What I'm going to do is take this out of the oven. I'm just going to put that down there for a minute. Now that is looking a bit tasty. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and get this out. Oh yes, look at that. Woo, that pan was hot. Let's get this back on there before it escapes. Now that is awesome. Don't know, it's about an inch and a bit thick. Nice crusty cheese top. It smells absolutely lovely. So we'll have I'll let this cool down, then we'll have a carve up and we'll put it on the plate. So we'll see you back in a minute. Right, so there we have it. We've got a nice omelette with potatoes, onion, garlic, tomatoes, black pepper, eggs, parsley and chives. A bit like a Spanish omelette basically. Then we've got 3 chicken thighs that have just been seasoned, and we've got a chicken breast which has been seasoned and sliced up. So we'll have this, a couple of bits of that for a little snacky thing tonight. So there you have it, quite easy to do, doesn't take long. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one and see what we come up with. Take it easy guys, I'll see you later and stay safe.